we have a look into the NTAG demo, the NFC Validator demo, which will use these kind of NFC tag. I think everybody should know what an NFC tag is nowadays. It's a chip where you can store some information and read those information just via a short distance radio frequency. This we will use specifically to provide the information where a certain object is on the world. Moonchain uses the hexagon system. With this, we are able to provide the longitude and latitude data of the specific hexagon where the sensor information got provided to the next miner. In the description of today's live stream, you find a link to this repository. The repository of the demo I will show you today. It's the same demo I did the last week on German, but I think for a lot of people it will be interesting to be able to follow this tutorial in English.